Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off quit mode on Instagram. So guys, if you are using Instagram and want to turn off your mode, you are facing the issue that notifications are not showing. It means your quit mode is turned on. So guys, simply you can turn off this. So guys, first of all, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection on your iPhone. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back, open your Instagram app. And guys, after this, you need to click on your main profile, click on three lines, and guys, click on settings and privacy. And guys, after this you will find this type of settings menu. So guys, simply you need to click on notifications tab. And guys, here you can see the option of quit mode. And guys, now you can see here my quit mode is turned on. So guys, simply you can turn off this by clicking on edit mode. And guys, you can see here turn off quit mode. So guys, by doing this method you will be able to turn off your quit mode on Instagram. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.